Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros at another YouTube update ang pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to manage mid-roll ad breaks in long videos on YouTube. So may bagong update ngayon sa YouTube starting May 12, 2025 to improve your earnings potential will add automatic ad slots on top of manual ones on your existing videos. So sa YouTube, maglalagay po siya ng option settings, yung automatic ad slots, and you can choose to continue managing your ad slots by manually. So pwedeng-pwede naman itong i-manual mga kaibigan. So ano ba yung dalawang features ng bagong update? So ito yung una, new feedback features that gives creators visibility into which manual mid-roll ad slots were unlikely to get ads from our ad serving system. You can use this feedback to adjust your manual mid-roll ad slots. And then yung pangalawa, ability to combine manual and automatic mid-roll ad slots to give our system more choices to serve ads on your videos. Ayan. So, pwede mong i-combine yung manual and automatic mid-roll ads slots sa mga videos natin para mas maganda o mabigyan tayo ng opportunity na mas magandang ads sa ating mga videos. And then, may tatlong ways naman sa pagpe-place ng mid-roll ads. Una, ito yung manual ad slots. So, ibig sabihin yan, if you choose to manually place ad slots, you are telling our system specific places in your video where you would allow an ad to serve. So, our ad system then decide which ad slots may get an based on a number of factors to base balance viewer experience, creators earnings, and advertiser value. Okay, so pwede tayong maglagay dito ng manual and then si YouTube na yung system yung magde-decide kung saan nilalagay yung ad slots natin na ads. And then yung pangalawa, ito yung automated ad slots. You can turn on automatically place mid-roll ads, which means our system help find natural breakpoints on your video for an ad slots. So, pwede mong gamitin itong automated ad slots and si YouTube na yung bahala maglalagay ng mga breakpoints or natural breakpoints na ads sa ating mga videos. And then yung pangatlo, ito yung manual and automatic ad slots. You can supplement your manual ad slots with automatic ad slots. This gives our ad system more choices to serve ads on your video and could increase your ads opportunity. Yan, so napakaganda naman yung kanyang features and then yung mga benefits na makukuha natin dito sa bagong update ni YouTube. And then kung paano ba natin ito i-manage, and then dito lang sa ating YouTube channel at dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang dito yung ating YouTube profile and select mo lang dito yung YouTube Studio. And dito sa ating channel dashboard, dito lang sa left navigation pane, and then kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and select mo lang dito yung earn. So click mo lang yan. Ito yung monetization natin. So click mo lang yan. And then on right side, so earn on YouTube, and makikita mo dito yung bagong update. And then meron ditong option settings na manage, and then i-click mo lang yan. And ito na yung manage mid-roll ad slots on existing videos. So starting on May 12 ito mga kaibigan na update. So bago tayo mag-proceed, so kailangan mo nang basahin mabuti ang napakalagang update ni YouTube regarding dito sa mga ads natin. So to prepare for this change, we recommend you turn on automatic ad slots on your existing videos. These slots are designed to be at natural breakpoints and will work with your existing manual ad slots, creating new opportunities to show mid-roll ads when we stop showing them and interruptive points in videos. So dito naman ay pwede kang mag-option out. So if you prepare to manage your ad slots manually, you can option out of automatic ad slots on your existing videos until May 12. So kapag sinilik mo dito yung turn on automatic, and then pwede mo itong i-option out mga kaibigan bago mag May 12. So may dalawang option dito. Ito yung una, turn on automatic ad slots in additions to yung manual ad slots. Ito yung recommended ni YouTube. And then yung pangalawa, ito yung option out of additional automatic ad slots and continue managing manually. So, click mo lang dito or i-select mo lang dito yung turn on automatic ad slots. And then dito naman sa right side dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung save. So, i-click mo lang yan. Ayan. So, pwede mo itong i-review. I-click mo lang dito yung review mga kaibigan. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-manage ang mid-roll ad breaks in long videos on YouTube. In hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman at guide tungkol sa bagong update ni YouTube sa lahat ng monetized channel. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.